Okay, I got the eggs
Okay.
right here.
Okay.
We fucking got him.
Okay. Do you like boiled eggs?
Yes,
Okay.
but
Can you put it up so we can see you? Wait, what are you doing? You're putting it in a pan?
boiling.
What?
He boiling it.
No, no, no. You're boiling it in the microwave. This is different, shawty. So if you get a cup, right, or a bowl, a microwave-safe bowl, put water in the bowl and put the egg in it and throw it in the microwave. You would never have to boil an egg for 10 minutes.
Okay, babe.
Okay, wait. Before you start, can you show us the microwave? Like me, all of three of us, I want to be able to see the microwave, you know? I'm gonna get $500 just for this. So let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Let's get
Got him. We fucking got him.
it. Let's get it. Come on. So you got the water in there, got a bowl, got the egg, a white egg specifically. Nice. Dude, this is making me happy, bro. I used to work at an egg farm, bro. We used to do this shit all the time on break, and I miss doing this, man. So now I'll put it on 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And then start. Wait, no, show the whole thing. Show the whole thing. Back up. Show the whole thing. Back up. Show the whole thing. Back up,
Can't
sorry.
really see it.
Okay, back up. Alright. So right now what it's doing all the chemical engineering it needs to be. Why did it freeze? Why did it freeze? Yo, why did it?
Oh, y'all got me fucked up.
What happened?
Dude, there's no fucking way. There's no fucking way, bro. Bro, that shit blew the fuck up. Man, disconnected. That shit was supposed to blow up, bro. She got nuked. Bro, no, we need to go back.